Bulls are in control across most markets today. Let us look at where the momentum is strongest. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your India market briefing for August 1st. We cover the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the stocks dominating headlines today. Let us start with a snapshot of the Indian equity markets today. Starting with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark large-cap index. Nifty 50 ticked up plus 0.27% to 24,384 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by South Korean stocks plunge, erasing RE rally gains as chip sell-off deepens, Nikkei Asia. With Nifty 50 moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $24,993 level above and $23,774 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. The Sensex, tracking India's 30 largest blue-chip companies. Sensex ticked up plus 0.21% to 78,095 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by South Korean stocks plunge, erasing RE rally gains as chip sell-off deepens, Nikkei Asia. The Bank Nifty, India's banking sector barometer, is closely watched by traders as a leading indicator for the broader market. Bank Nifty ticked up plus 0.21% to 57,265 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that India's RBI allows differential rates on bulk deposits at banks based on liquidity risk. Bank Nifty is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $58,410 resistance and $56,120 support as the boundaries of the current range. Now let us look at the stocks making headlines in India today. Tata Motors is up plus 1.66%, trading at 339.75 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street ends mixed as investors focus on tech earnings. India passenger vehicle market share and EV penetration, particularly Nexon EV, is the domestic growth story. JLR's transition to full BEV by 2030 requires significant capital but positions the brand well. Any update on the next-generation JLR platform timeline would be a catalyst. Bajaj Finance surged plus 8.32% to 1,141.20 Indian rupees in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Bajaj Finance sees 29% profit surge in Q1, driven by robust NI and ORM growth (REDIF). Consumer durable financing and personal loans are growing, but the market is watching credit quality in a slower growth environment. The EMI card business and co-branded credit card partnerships are the emerging fee income drivers. Watch for any commentary on the Q-on-Q credit cost trend. TCS dropped sharply minus 2.72% to 2,365.60 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by South Korean stocks plunge, erasing RE rally gains as chip sell-off deepens, Nikkei Asia. North American BFSI IT spending is at an inflection point. Any signal of budget revival from US banks and insurance firms would drive a TCS earnings upgrade cycle. The AI Copilot and automation deal pipeline is the differentiation story for the current cycle. Now let us look at the macro backdrop for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 95.39. A softer rupee compresses margins for import-heavy sectors like oil, consumer goods, and airlines, while IT exporters like TCS and Infosys benefit. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ futures edge higher ahead of Fed decision, chip stocks wobble, WTVB. Foreign institutional investor flows are the near-term swing factor. Any risk-off in global markets tends to amplify selling pressure on Indian indices given the high FII ownership in Nifty 50 constituents. The biggest mover in India today is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance surged plus 8.32% to 1,141.20 Indian rupees in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Bajaj Finance sees 29% profit surge in Q1, driven by robust NI and ORM growth (REDIF). Consumer durable financing and personal loans are growing, but the market is watching credit quality in a slower growth environment. The EMI card business and co-branded credit card partnerships are the emerging fee income drivers. Watch for any commentary on the Q-on-Q credit cost trend. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your India market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of Indian and global markets.